Good morning. You must be the new team member. I'm Tom, the line leader here on production line 3.
Good morning. Yes, I'm Alex. Today's my first day. I'm excited, and a little nervous, to be honest.
Good morning. You must be the new team member. I'm Tom, the line leader here on production line 3.
Not yet. I saw the machine near the entrance, but I wasn't sure how to use it.
No worries. Let me walk you through it. This is the time clock system. You scan your ID badge here, and it records your start time. That's called clocking in.
Got it. So I need to clock in every day when I arrive?
Exactly. And don't forget to clock out at the end of your shift. That's how your work hours are recorded in the system. HR uses it to calculate attendance and overtime.
Got it. So I need to clock in every day when I arrive?
Our day shift starts at 8 a.m. sharp. But it's a good idea to arrive at least 10 minutes early so you have time to store your belongings, change into your PPE, and get to your workstation.
Understood. What happens if someone forgets to clock in?
Then you need to fill out a late slip and submit it to your supervisor. The attendance records are checked daily.
Understood. What happens if someone forgets to clock in?
Yes. You'll be working Monday to Saturday, from 8 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. We get a 1-hour lunch break from 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock, and 2 15-minute breaks, one in the morning and one in the afternoon.
Do we ever work overtime?
Sometimes. Especially when we need to meet our production target. If we fall behind or if there's a large order, we may be asked to stay for overtime hours. Overtime is paid, of course.
Where can I check the daily schedule?
It's posted on the notice board next to the break room. We also go over the schedule during the morning briefing, which happens right after clock in.
What's the morning briefing about?
It's a short meeting, usually about 10 to 15 minutes. We review the production goals, discuss any safety concerns, go over any updates, and assign tasks.
Do I need to bring anything to the briefing?
Just yourself, and your attention. Sometimes you'll need to sign the attendance sheet that's passed around during the meeting.
Okay. What should I wear during work?
You're required to wear PPE, or personal protective equipment. That includes a safety vest, anti-static wrist strap, earplugs, and protective gloves. Since we work with sensitive electronics, we also wear ESD-safe uniforms.
I received my PPE kit from HR this morning.
Perfect. Don't forget to put on your ESD footwear covers before stepping onto the production floor. We need to prevent any electrostatic discharge that could damage the components.
What happens if someone forgets their PPE?
They can't enter the work area until they retrieve or replace it. Safety violations are taken seriously here.
Understood. Do we have assigned lockers?
Yes. Your locker number is 34A, right near the employee entrance. You can store personal items and your uniform there.
Thanks. Are mobile phones allowed in the work area?
No, phones are prohibited on the production floor. You can use them during breaks, but only in the break room or outside areas.
Makes sense. What are my first tasks today?
You'll start with a machine check. Each station must be checked before use. We inspect the soldering iron, the fume extractor, and the temperature controls.
Okay. Is there a checklist for that?
Yes. You'll find a laminated machine checklist at each station. You also need to fill in the equipment log sheet after inspection.
I'll make sure to do that. What happens if I find something wrong during the machine check?
Stop immediately and report it to the maintenance team. Do not attempt repairs yourself unless you're trained and authorized.
Understood. After the machine check, what's next?
Then we begin the assembly process. You'll be doing visual inspection today, looking for defects in circuit boards before they go to the next stage.
How do I know what to look for?
We have a standard operating procedure, SOP, with clear diagrams and photos. You'll also be trained by a team lead. Pay attention to component alignment, solder quality, and missing parts.
Sounds good. Do we rotate tasks?
Yes. We use a job rotation system to reduce fatigue and give everyone a chance to learn multiple skills. After a week, you might move to soldering, component placement, or even packaging.
That's great. I want to learn as much as I can.
Good attitude. Also, be sure to write your name and time in on the inspection log once your shift begins. At the end of the day, you'll record your completed units on the production tracking sheet.
Is that sheet digital or paper?
For now, it's paper. But we're moving to a tablet-based system next month.
Cool. What should I do if I need help or have a question?
Ask your team leader or me anytime. Never guess, especially when working with live circuits. It's always better to ask than to make a mistake.
Got it. Is there a place to get water or snacks?
Yes, we have a break room with a water dispenser, microwave, and vending machines. You can also bring your own lunch.
Sounds like everything's well organized here.
We try. Once the morning briefing starts, just listen carefully and follow instructions. You're off to a good start already.
Thanks, Tom. I really appreciate your help.
Anytime. Let's head over to the briefing area. It's almost 8:10.